welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we're going to start by getting your string in position for adding your next doily. To do that, our string is coming out this bead here, whichever circle you're on, it should be coming out about this bead here on that circle. So you want to get to the bottom, so you're just going to go through 3 beads. There you go. Now, if you are familiar with the adding of the doilies and you are comfortable with that, then all you would need is the previous video and this video for if there's no connection between your doilies, and then you'll need the next 2 videos if there are connections between your doilies, like I have with this piece. But if you need further help, here is the no connection. This one, if you need additional reviews, you can go back to 14 and 17 to begin the next doily, and then 7 through 12 will get you to the point where you need these 2 videos again. And then when you finish your second row to the length you want, 29 and 30, will then show you again how to finish it off. But like I said, if you are familiar with it and comfortable and you are using no connection, you'll only need the previous video and this video to continue adding your piece and connecting it side by side with your previous row or rows, depending on how many you're going to do. Now, if you're going to use a connection, which you can use 1 or 2, then you will need the previous 2 videos and 2 more videos, which I will be making shortly. And if you need reviews once, to continue from this point, you'll want to go back to 7 through 12, and for the odd, which this is the first one, and then the second one after you. Okay, that's right. We've done the odd, the first one. So now you'll want to go for even because you're going into the second one. So you'll need 18 through 22 plus the next 2 videos, because you actually will be connecting to your previous doily on the second row instead of the third row, because they swap when you have connections. And then you'll need 24 to 28 to finish it, and then go back because you'll be on the third one for the odd, and then the even you'll switch and switch until of course you get used to the stitch and how it works, and then you can just do it without the videos. And then of course 29 and 30 finishes it off. If you need any help or have any questions, please let me know, and I will be hopefully putting up the next video soon so that you can continue adding if you are using connections. If you are not using connections, then you pretty much have the videos you need, and you can just go on with your piece and enjoy. Happy beading!